Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Emmanuel O. Alejandro. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong July 14. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung ano ang kahalagahan ng kasama natin ng Diyos. What is the importance na alam natin na God is with us? Now, bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng onting fun fact about sa pangalan ko. Did you know that Emmanuel means God is with us? And that can be taken in a literal sense dahil laging nasa sa atin ang Panginoon. When you think that you're all alone, when you feel as if walang nasa tabi mo, walang handang tulungan ka, na mag-isa ka lang lumalaban, that is not the case. The Lord is always with you, and the Lord is always with us. No matter what is going on in your life, no matter the time, no matter the place, God is there. Because God has this power of being omnipresent. He has omnipresence, meaning that in every single time, in every single place, He is there. Sa lugar na nasan ako ngayon, God is with me. Sa lugar na nasan kayo, mga listeners, God is with you. Sa tuwing umaalis ako, God is with me. Every single time, my God, our God, never leaves our side. Sabi nga sa Psalm chapter 139 verses 7 to 10, where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go up to the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in the depths, you are there. If I rise on the wings of the dawn, if I settle on the far side of the sea, even there your hand will guide me. Your right hand will hold me fast. Glory to God. Dahil tayo, alam natin na hindi tayo iniiwan ng Panginoon. God is present in every place at all times. And due to that fact, we can hold on to hope because God's omnipresence is our daily comfort. If you're ever feeling anxious of being alone, of being helpless, lagi mong tatandaan na nandyan yung Panginoon. Nakasama mo ang Panginoon. No matter how tough the battles you face, God is with you. So seek God. Because God is our most intimate relationship. Isipin mo lahat ng tao, merong limitation. May mga pagkakataong hindi ka kayang tulungan kahit ng mga taong pinakamalapit sa'yo. Pamilya mo, loved ones, partner, husband or wife, siblings. There will come a time, unfortunately, that they will not be there for you. Or rather, they choose to not be with you. But God will always be with you. He will always be there. And there is no fail in that. Therefore, seek to have an intimate relationship with Him. Seek to have the most intimate relationship with Him because He is always there. And you can start doing that by saying no to Satan's temptations. Nakakatulong din yung alam natin na yung Panginoon ay laging nandyan. Na laging nakanood sa atin. Dahil that encourages us to say no to sin. Na kapag natatempt na tayo, alalahanin mo lang na yung Panginoon, pinapanood ka. Yung Panginoon, na mahal ka, hindi ka iniiwan, nandyan sa tabi mo. Can you really sin in front of God, the being that does not leave your side. So seek God's presence through quiet time. Dahil ngayon, kasama mo ang Panginoon. Maaring habang pinapakinggan mo ito, meron kang quiet time. Meron kang free time. Therefore, kausapin mo yung Panginoon. This may be your sign to seek God. Talk to Him. Kasi alam mo naman, nakasama mo ang Diyos. So why not use this opportunity to talk to your God, to talk to our God? And let us show our faith by being fearless. Kapag ikaw ay nangangamba, merong nagbibigay sa'yo ng fear, tandaan mo, katabi mo ang Diyos. Kaya wala kang dapat ikatakot. Yan lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat, and let us all give glory to God.